Greetings. Spreading some sunshine today in case anybody needs it. Look at that pretty girl up there. She's so beautiful. Isn't this beautiful? It's my tropical paradise. Guys, this is a yam, and it grows on a vine, and she's so beautiful. Look at her. Look at her beautiful colors. Oh, look at that. Isn't she pretty? And she intertwines naturally all the way down into the ground, all the way down there, and then you dig her up when she's ready. Beautiful. And these are sugar canes. Sugar canes. So pretty. Nature's beautiful, yeah? This is a castor tree where they make castor oil from. And when it gets really hot here, these little things snap and pop and hit the ground like little, I don't know, I call them little fireworks. They're so cute. I'll try and see if I can catch that. But yeah, castor oil seed right here. And I had no idea this is how they grow, guys. Pretty cool, eh? Beautiful Jamaica.